Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back. This is day 8 of our 10-day 10-minute shadowing challenge. Today we are going to practice English on the theme of hiking with friends. Listen carefully, speak clearly, and repeat after me. We are going hiking today. Repeat. We are going hiking today. Once more. We are going hiking today. Next. I'm hiking with my best friends. Repeat. I'm hiking with my best friends. Once more. I'm hiking with my best friends. Next. We woke up very early this morning. Repeat. We woke up very early this morning. Once more. We woke up very early this morning. Next. We are packing our backpacks now. Repeat. We are packing our backpacks now. Once more. We are packing our backpacks now. Next. I have plenty of water and snacks. Repeat. I have plenty of water and snacks. Once more. I have plenty of water and snacks. Next. Do not forget to bring a map, please. Repeat. Do not forget to bring a map, please. Once more. Do not forget to bring a map, please. Next. Everyone is wearing comfortable shoes. Repeat. Everyone is wearing comfortable shoes. Once more. Everyone is wearing comfortable shoes. Next. The drive to the mountain is beautiful. Repeat. The drive to the mountain is beautiful. Once more. The drive to the mountain is beautiful. Next. We are starting our hike from the trail. Repeat. We are starting our hike from the trail. Once more. We are starting our hike from the trail. Next. The air feels very fresh and clean. Repeat. The air feels very fresh and clean. Once more. The air feels very fresh and clean. Next. We are walking slowly and enjoying the view. Repeat. We are walking slowly and enjoying the view. Once more. We are walking slowly and enjoying the view. Next. The trees are very tall and green. Repeat. The trees are very tall and green. Once more. The trees are very tall and green. Next. I can hear the birds singing. Repeat. I can hear the birds singing. Once more. I can hear the birds singing. Next. This path is a little steep. Repeat. This path is a little steep. Once more. This path is a little steep. Next. Let us take a short break, please. Repeat. Let us take a short break, please. Once more. Let us take a short break, please. Next. I need to drink some water. Repeat. I need to drink some water. Once more. I need to drink some water. Next. We are drinking water to stay hydrated. Repeat. We are drinking water to stay hydrated. Once more. We're drinking water to stay hydrated. Next. Can you take a picture of us, please? Repeat. Can you take a picture of us, please? Once more. Can you take a picture of us, please? Next. The scenery is absolutely amazing. Repeat. The scenery is absolutely amazing. Once more. The scenery is absolutely amazing. Next. Look at the beautiful river down there. Repeat. Look at the beautiful river down there. Once more. Look at the beautiful river down there. Next. We are crossing a small wooden bridge. Repeat. We are crossing a small wooden bridge. Once more. We are crossing a small wooden bridge. Next. I'm feeling a little tired now. Repeat. I'm feeling a little tired now. Once more. I'm feeling a little tired now. Next. My friends are encouraging me to keep going. Repeat. My friends are encouraging me to keep going. Once more. My friends are encouraging me to keep going. Next. We are almost at the top of the mountain. Repeat. We are almost at the top of the mountain. Once more. We are almost at the top of the mountain. Next. The final part is the hardest. Repeat. The final part is the hardest. Once more. The final part is the hardest. Next. We finally reached the top. Repeat. We finally reached the top. Once more. We finally reached the top. Next. We did it together. Repeat. We did it together. Once more. We did it together. Next. The view from the top is breathtaking. Repeat. The view from the top is breathtaking. Once more. The view from the top is breathtaking. Next. We can see the whole valley from here. Repeat. We can see the whole valley from here. Once more. We can see the whole valley from here. Next. Let us sit down and eat our snacks. Repeat. Let us sit down and eat our snacks. Once more. Let us sit down and eat our snacks. Next. The food tastes better after a long walk. Repeat. The food tastes better after a long walk. Once more. The food tastes better after a long walk. Next. We are resting and enjoying the sunshine. Repeat. We are resting and enjoying the sunshine. Once more. We are resting and enjoying the sunshine. Next. It is time to go back down. Repeat. It is time to go back down. Once more. It is time to go back down. Next. Walking down is much easier. Repeat. Walking down is much easier. Once more. Walking down is much easier. Next. We need to walk carefully on the rocks. Repeat. We need to walk carefully on the rocks. Once more. We need to walk carefully on the rocks. Next. My legs feel heavy, but I'm happy. Repeat. My legs feel heavy, but I'm happy. Once more. My legs feel heavy, but I'm happy. Next. We are back at the parking lot. Repeat. We are back at the parking lot. Once more. We are back at the parking lot. Next. This was a wonderful hiking trip. Repeat. This was a wonderful hiking trip. Once more. This was a wonderful hiking trip. Amazing work. You practiced useful English on the theme of hiking with friends. Keep speaking, keep repeating, and your English will become smoother and more natural every day.